everyone, welcome to the Balance series. Today we're going to practice together a mudra which is called Yoni for creativity. As we have said before, mudras as actually specific hand and finger gestures we do in order to facilitate free flow of energy within the body, but also to enhance focus and concentration, to anchor a busy mind into the present moment. So today we're going to practice this Yoni Mudra together. This mudra helps us when we get constantly distracted to become centered. It also gives us a pause that is much needed when we need to change our perspective. And also, it helps us to focus better, becomes the mind laser focused. So we're going to place the thumb fingers in the ears, the index fingers just above the eyelashes, the middle fingers just right next to the nostrils, the ring fingers just above the lips, and the little fingers will come just under the lips. And see if you can just relax a little bit the shoulders here and breathe. We do not put any pressure, we just touch gently. And as we stay here, we're going to breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in through the nostrils. Exhale through the mouth. And we're gonna stay here for 5 to 10 minutes. Breathing in and breathing out. When you're ready, bring your palms just crossed in front of your chest, your sternum, with the eyes closed. Just try to feel this beautiful stillness within the body. It's a beautiful, complete stillness within your mind. Allow any heaviness in the shoulders, any toxins, blockages, impurities. Just be dissolved with your breathing. All the thoughts, the worries, the stresses, just going away into a form of a nice colorful smoke, leaving the body peacefully, leaving you nice and relaxed, open and energized. When you're ready, connect the palms together in front of your heart center. And let's remind ourselves our theme for today, creativity. So let's invite ourselves to take massive action today, to go deeper into the inner child within us, and find out what makes us creative. And let's unleash our creativity today with this meditation. When you're ready, gently open your eyes here and we'll come back. Thank you so much for joining this balance series, and I look forward to see you in our next class. Bye, everyone.